In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change store currency in Shopify. If you've been selling in one region and you're now targeting a new market, or you simply set the wrong currency when you first created your store, changing your store currency is an important step. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the main admin area, look down to the lower left-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a menu option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. When you do, Shopify will take you directly to the General Settings page, which is where most of your basic store information is managed. On the General Settings page, scroll until you see a section or card labeled Store Defaults. Within this area, you'll find a line called Currency Display. This is where Shopify shows your current store currency. On the right-hand side of that row, you'll see an icon with 3 horizontal dots. Click on those 3 dots to open a small drop-down menu. From that menu, choose Change Store Currency. A pop-up window will now appear. This is where you actually select the new currency for your store. In the pop-up, click on the drop-down box to open the full list of available currencies. Take a moment to scroll through and find the exact currency you want to switch to. It's worth double-checking that you've picked the correct one, especially if there are multiple versions related to different countries. After you choose your new currency, Shopify will show you a reminder. It explains that changing your currency means you'll need to review and update pricing across your store to avoid unexpected results at checkout. It also mentions that some apps may only support certain currencies. This is an important warning, so don't skip over it. Once you've read it, check the box that says you understand the risk of changing the store currency. Below that, you'll see an option to select a reason for changing your currency. This part is optional, so you can either choose the reason that best fits your situation or simply leave it as is. When everything looks correct and you're sure about your new currency, go to the bottom right corner of the pop-up and click Save. Shopify will apply your new store currency, and you can then review your product prices and any apps to make sure everything still looks right. And that's all you need to do to change your store currency in Shopify.